Hey all, so are you looking for new glasses? Because I was. So I've been seeing this brand all over my feed, and the company name is Kits Eyewear, Kits. And I was a little bit intrigued. So a little backstory for me, I wear progressive lenses, which means I have the distance, I have the mid-range, and I have the reading section all in my glasses. And they can be quite pricey because 3 prescriptions. So I was looking for a new pair because my insurance was covering me for it anyway. And the ones I had, I liked. They were great, but they were plastic lenses, so they had a tendency to slip down on my nose. And whenever I had to read something, I had to lift the lens right up to see the bottom. So the prescription wasn't quite right. So I looked into this Kits Eyewear and I realized that I could get a pair cheaper than the last pair I got. Plus they have a BOGO offer, which means I got a free pair, and they were sending me sunnies as well. So the sunglasses, unfortunately, were not my style, but I guess that's the one that they send out to everybody. It was more a masculine style, wraparound kind of space age deal. So my hubby loves them. So I gave them to him. And Kits, I do appreciate it. I do. It's just not for me. But I got 2 pairs for the price of one. So why not have a backup pair, right? Came beautifully packaged. They came all wrapped in tissue paper inside the box, nice and snug. Each prescription came with a nice hard case, textured hard case, and a cleaning cloth as well. I was really impressed with the presentation. The shipping was about 4 days, so it was really quick. It's a Canadian company. I'm Canadian. They came from Vancouver. I'm not from Vancouver, but I did get this sweatshirt from my son. So, anyway, on with the show. My first pair, the ones I picked, these are really delicate because they have no frames, but how cute are they? Love them. Absolutely love them. The frameless is gorgeous. The prescription is perfect. I don't have to lift them up. They work. So those were beautiful. The second pair I kind of goofed on because I didn't pick the color. I should have picked the color, so they gave me the default color. I wanted the copper tone, did not get the copper tone, got purple. I'm not a big fan of purple, but if someone can tell me if I can paint them, I just might. Because purple and me, no, it's never been a thing. But the glasses themselves, super perfect, right? And it's a nice metallic color. I just wish it was metallic bronze or brown, but perfect. And what they do at Kits as well is they let you try them on online. So you're never going to be, you're never going to not have them fit you. You upload your picture, you actually try them on your face. It'll show you all the angles before you put them in your cart. As well, if you don't know your distance, because a lot of optometrists will not put that on your sheet, they will measure that for you as well. And you get, I got these in 4 days. I'm in Ontario. They were in Vancouver, and it was free shipping. So it was win, win, win. And I'm not sponsored. I haven't been paid to do this. I just wanted to put it out there on my channel. If anyone wants a really good deal on glasses, then go to Kits. Because I got these yesterday and I'm super impressed with both of them. The prescription is spot on, and I just love them. So I will be dealing with them again. You never know. But if you want this BOGO, I would go get it because I don't know how long it's going to last. But you end up getting a free pair of sunglasses and an extra pair of glasses. So why not? Anyway, that's my PSA about Kits Eyewear. So go check them out and have a great day.